You've seen the pictures, heard the stories, and tried to imagine the exotic taste, colors, and sounds. But travel is a feeling that's difficult to describe, unless you've experienced it yourself.
It's like you're in a dream. You're like just sitting in this chair and there's nothing underneath you, and like, as far as you're concerned, there's nothing above you.
When I look back on pictures now, it doesn't look real in pictures.
It is difficult to put into words. Like, am I having a water fight with a baby elephant right now? Like, it's just one of those, is this actually happening moments.
Everywhere you look is almost too pretty. Your eyes almost don't know what to do with themselves.
When I was going to sleep, I heard hyenas just howling in the distance. And then in the morning, we heard lions. They were just chilling there on the grass, and there were zebras standing behind them.
It's so huge. It's very kind of humbling almost, you know, like the raw kind of power of nature when you're this tiny little person in front of it all.
I don't know, it's just something about being there that you couldn't capture it in a movie.
The feeling of overcoming something, that's the kind of thing that lasts on.
It's like 5 different holidays in one holiday, or like 50 different countries in one country.
There was something so magical about the sunset. It felt like a bit of a secret. And then the water just shoots like whoosh.
It's kind of all those things that you never really get to see. You can only feel or experience if you're there.